If you have met someone new, then use their name in conversation. Boys turn into men when they understand that nobody cares about them. Girls are more attracted to boys who try to start a conversation. If someone texts you after a long time, that means they want to ask you something. According to psychology, people see you 20% more attractive than you see yourself. When someone appears in your dreams, it is because that person misses you. When a guy likes a girl, he will look in her eyes. When a girl likes a guy, she'll look away. If you want people to accept your suggestions, talk with them humbly. Listen carefully to how a person speaks about other people to you. This is exactly how they'll speak about you to other people. You appear more attractive to a person when you make them laugh or smile. Your gut feelings are usually accurate and true. Pretending not to care is the habit of someone who generally cares the most. A psychologist says that when you wake up around 2 to 3 o'clock a.m. without any reason, there's an 80% chance that someone is staring at you. It is a fun fact, but psychology says that what we tend to think affects how we behave. People who share a lot tend to be more loyal and honest with friends. When a woman is truly hurt, she chooses to ignore that person. If you have a crush on someone, your brain will find it impossible to lie to that person. Research found that closing eyes helps in remembering things. Looking in the eyes of your loved one can slow up your heartbeat with each other. According to psychology, speaking with the one you love for 48 hours can make you feel homesick. Them boys make the first move, but if a girl does it, then no one can love you more than her. The IQ level of a woman who doesn't make friends easily is high. If someone is always on your mind, it means you are in their thoughts as well. People pay more attention to those who ignore them. A study says a relationship should last for more than 4 months to be a true love story. Psychology says if a man doesn't get upset or disappointed with you, then it is certain that he doesn't care about you. Girls are more stubborn than boys. The main reason is emotions. Women and men experience the same kind of emotions, but women are more honest about them. People who talk to themselves are more likely to have a high IQ. A person who truly loves you will give you 2 things without any reason. He'll give you time in any situation. He'll give you respect. True love can wait for more than 10 years to get into a relationship. Unexpected phone calls and texts can instantly improve a person's mood. It takes only about 0.2 seconds to fall in love. Yes, that's less than a blink. According to some stories, couples without children tend to be the happiest. Research shows that men can fall in love after just 3 days, but it often takes women about 13 days to feel the same way. Love doesn't start at sunrise or end at sunset, it begins when you least expect it, and it can disappear when you need it the most. According to psychology, women's breasts define her self-confidence. Research found that people who are really in love tend to be jealous of stupid things. Women are more attracted to men who have strong shoulders and a broad chest. According to psychology, if you make the first move, you'll be more attracted. If someone is always angry at you, just stay calm, it will help them to be ashamed later. Psychology says if a girl falls in love, she can go to any extent to get him. A psychologist says a couple who spend at least 10 minutes a day laughing have a stronger relationship. The more you talk about someone, the more you're likely to fall in love with that person. If you found that someone likes you, a little part of you starts to like them back. We fall in love by chance, we strain love by choice. A study says that in true love, height and age distance are just numbers. It only takes up to 4 minutes to decide whether you like someone or not. Men fall in love faster than women. Girls love being on her neck by her partner.